Stop scrolling. We exposed 15 game-changing kitchen upgrades guaranteed to revolutionize how you cook. From absurdly clever space savers to high-tech prep tools, your setup will never be the same. Welcome to the Deals Scout, where we ruthlessly hunt down the internet's best bargains. Grab what you need using the links in the description. Hit that subscribe button right now so you never miss the insane finds we drop next. Coming up, we have 15 practical tools that make daily cooking safer and easier. These clever upgrades support your independence. Kicking off our list at number 1 is the Etekcity Food Kitchen Scale. This digital stainless steel device rests flat on your countertop to accurately measure dietary portions and cooking ingredients. You just place your items on the platform, and the large backlit screen instantly displays the exact weight. When you need to closely track salt or sugar intake for health reasons, squinting at the tiny faded lines on plastic measuring cups becomes a frustrating chore. Instead of guessing, you simply set your mixing bowl on the scale, press a single button to zero it out, and pour your ingredients right in. The bright, oversized numbers are highly visible, even under dim kitchen lighting or without your reading glasses. Backed by over 170,000 reviews, it weighs up to 11 pounds in single-gram increments and wipes totally clean with a damp cloth. Seniors who gave up complex cooking because measuring became too visually difficult are confidently pulling family recipes out of the box once again. Next on our list at number 2 is the BrüMate Hopsulator Duo. This 2-in-1 beverage holder functions as both an insulated cooler for standard 12-ounce cans and a leak-proof tumbler for hot or cold drinks. You simply push your canned drink into the sleeve, or pour your beverage directly inside and attach the secure locking lid. Holding a freezing, dripping soda can is often deeply uncomfortable for stiff hands, and heavy condensation can quickly ruin wooden side tables. Whether you are enjoying a sparkling water on the back patio in the afternoon heat or keeping your coffee warm beside your armchair, the grippy silicone base prevents accidental tips and drops. It relies on double-walled stainless steel with an extra copper layer to maintain a steady internal temperature, while the sweat-free exterior guarantees zero condensation against your skin. For seniors who struggle to hold slick, sweating glasses, this returns the simple pleasure of securely gripping an ice-cold drink all afternoon without the mess. Coming up at number 3 is the SENSARTE ceramic cookware set. This is a complete collection of pots and pans coated in a natural, non-stick ceramic that replaces heavy, difficult-to-manage kitchenware. Instead of wrestling with a cumbersome cast-iron skillet on the stove or spending 20 minutes scrubbing burnt food off the bottom of a pan, you simply cook your meal with less oil and wipe the surface clean with a paper towel. The lightweight, die-cast aluminum construction means you can actually lift the sauté pan off the burner without straining your wrists or hands. The 14-piece set is completely free of toxic chemicals like PFOA and PTFE, and features a thick stainless steel base that heats evenly on any stovetop. For seniors who had stopped making their favorite recipes because their old pans were simply too heavy to handle, this lightweight set brings the joy of cooking back to the kitchen. Next on our list at number 4 is a set of heavy-duty shears designed to tackle stubborn kitchen tasks that standard scissors simply cannot handle. These tools act as a versatile cutter that easily slices through thick food packaging, tough meats, and everyday cardboard. If your hands lack the grip strength they used to have, dealing with rigid plastic clamshells or portioning a chicken can become a frustrating struggle. The ergonomically shaped handles feature built-in cushioning pads that absorb pressure while you cut, taking the strain off your joints. You simply squeeze, and the blades do the heavy lifting, whether you are snipping fresh herbs or opening a sealed delivery box. This 2-pack features 8.66-inch hardened stainless steel blades, includes protective storage sheaths, and is backed by over 56,000 positive reviews. Seniors who used to dread wrestling with tightly sealed groceries are confidently managing their daily meal prep again, without the painful hand fatigue. Coming up at number 5 is the Ninja Fit Compact Personal Blender. This countertop device lets you blend fruits, vegetables, and ice directly into the cup you drink from. You simply load your ingredients, Push down on the cup to activate the motor, and swap the blade for a travel lid when you are finished. Instead of wrestling with a heavy, bulky glass pitcher that requires 2 hands just to wash, you only have to handle a lightweight, single-serve container. It is ideal for mornings when chewing tough greens feels like too much work, allowing you to easily drink your daily vitamins and fiber without a sink full of complicated parts to scrub afterward. The 700-watt motor easily pulverizes frozen fruit, and the system includes 2 16-ounce cups with spout lids. For seniors who find preparing full, hot meals too exhausting, this simple tool brings back the ability to independently make a fresh, nutrient-dense breakfast every single morning. Moving on to number 6, we have the STANLEY Quencher ProTour Tumbler. This insulated cup features a built-in flip straw and a sturdy side handle, so you never have to twist off a tight lid to take a sip. Staying hydrated is crucial, but heavy pitchers and traditional water bottles can be painful for arthritic hands to manage. You can keep this tumbler right on a bedside table or next to an armchair without worrying about messy spills, because the flip straw mechanism is completely leak-proof. The textured comfort grip handle is easy to lift, and the narrow base slips right into a car cup holder for errands around town. It easily holds 20 ounces of liquid inside a double-wall vacuum-insulated stainless steel body, keeping drinks ice-cold all day, and is fully dishwasher-safe. Seniors who have been avoiding water just so they don't have to wrestle with stubborn bottle caps are easily meeting their daily hydration goals again. Moving along to number 7, we have the HydroJug Traveler. This is a durable water bottle equipped with a large grip handle and an ambidextrous lid. Fill this up and place it on your side table or in your vehicle cup holder to keep beverages highly accessible. Staying properly hydrated is critical, but constantly walking to the kitchen for a fresh glass can be exhausting. Keep this tumbler right next to your favorite recliner so you never have to search for a drink when it is time to swallow your daily pills. Because it uses a circular flip straw, you do not have to tilt a heavy container backward to take a sip, sparing arthritic wrists and shoulders from unnecessary strain. It holds 32 ounces, features triple-wall stainless steel insulation to maintain temperature for hours, and uses a leak-resistant rubber base to prevent spills. Seniors who struggle to lift standard household pitchers without spilling are comfortably managing their own daily hydration again. Next up at number 8, is the KITCHENAID ribbed soft silicone oven mitt set. These slip over your hands and forearms to shield your skin from intense heat and boiling liquids while you cook. As grip strength weakens, pulling heavy casserole dishes out of a hot oven or carrying a boiling pot of pasta to the sink can become dangerous and stressful. The textured, ribbed silicone on these mitts gives you a firm, non-slip hold on smooth glass bakeware and heavy cast iron, preventing devastating drops. Because they are waterproof, a sudden splash of hot soup or boiling water won't soak through to burn your skin. They are heat-resistant up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, measure a generous 13 inches long to protect your wrists, and feature a comfortable cotton cuff with an insulated polyester lining. Seniors who had stopped baking their favorite recipes out of fear of dropping hot pans are confidently returning to the kitchen. Next on our list at number 9 is a travel mug that delivers the clean taste of a ceramic cup with the insulation of stainless steel. This tumbler holds your morning coffee and seals completely shut to stop leaks. Whether you are carrying a hot drink from the kitchen to your armchair while using a walker or taking it on a bumpy car ride, the slide-top spout prevents sudden splashes. The ceramic-coated interior ensures pure flavor without a harsh metallic aftertaste, and the smooth slider is easy to operate even with stiff joints. It holds 20 ounces of liquid, keeps beverages hot for hours or cold for up to 24, and features a completely BPA-free body. Seniors who used to avoid carrying hot liquids due to unsteady hands are confidently enjoying their warm beverages anywhere in the house without the fear of painful spills. Next on our list, number 10 is a countertop vacuum sealer that automatically removes air from bags to preserve food. You simply place your bag in the slot and press a button to draw out the excess air before it heat seals shut. When cooking for 1 or 2, food waste is frustrating, and standard zipper bags often lead to freezer burn. This tool lets you easily save leftover portions without wrestling with stubborn container lids. The built-in cutter means you never have to hunt for scissors, and the one-touch operation requires almost no grip strength. It uses 75 kPa of suction to finish the job in just 10 seconds, while a digital countdown timer tracks the progress. At 15 inches wide, the compact frame easily slips into a kitchen drawer. For seniors who stopped buying fresh groceries because they spoil too fast, this restores the freedom to stock up on healthy ingredients that actually last. Next up at number 11 is a pull-out storage system that transforms the chaotic space beneath your cabinets into an accessible set of sliding drawers. You simply place these two-tiered shelves under the sink to bring your stored items right out to you. Instead of kneeling on a hard bathroom floor and blindly reaching past plumbing to find a stray bottle of cleaner, you just slide the bottom tray forward. It brings all those heavy detergent bottles and tucked-away sponges directly into the light where they are easy to grab, saving you from straining your lower back or twisting your knees. Built with thick plastic baskets supported by sturdy, rust-resistant metal tubes, each unit measures about 14 by 10 inches and securely holds heavy liquids without bending or tipping. For seniors who have stopped using the back of their lower cabinets entirely, this straightforward tool brings everyday necessities back within comfortable, pain-free reach. Moving down our list to number 12, this pure titanium cutting board replaces heavy, hard-to-clean wooden blocks and flimsy plastic sheets. This dual-sided surface gives you a sanitary place to slice meats and prep daily meals without ever absorbing juices or odors. For older hands that struggle to scrub stains out of deeply grooved boards or lift waterlogged wood into the sink, this is a massive relief. You simply run it under the faucet for a quick wipe, avoiding the forceful scouring of deep knife cuts. Because titanium keeps your kitchen knives sharper longer, it requires less dangerous downward pressure to slice a tough tomato. Measuring 14 by 10 inches, this medical-grade titanium board is entirely food-safe and features a built-in hanging hole. Seniors who had stopped preparing fresh meals due to the physical strain of kitchen cleanup are confidently cooking their favorite recipes safely again. Coming up at number 13 is a humorous stainless steel tumbler designed specifically for dads. This travel mug provides a secure, spill-resistant way to hold hot or cold beverages. For older fathers settling into their favorite recliner, dropping a fragile ceramic mug is a real concern. This shatterproof design gives you a sturdy, sweat-proof grip whether you are reading the morning paper or sitting out on the porch. The tight lid means you stop worrying about messy spills on your lap or the living room rug. Built from 18/8 food-grade stainless steel with double-wall vacuum insulation, it holds 14 ounces and maintains coffee temperatures for over 6 hours while keeping cold drinks refreshing for 12. For seniors who have had to retire their heavy ceramic coffee cups due to weakening grip strength, this durable alternative restores the simple morning ritual of enjoying a hot drink without fear of dropping it. Moving on to number 14, this personalized coffee mug serves as a daily functional canvas for your favorite family memories. You simply customize the ceramic surface with a personal photo collage and the names or nicknames of your children and grandchildren. It fits perfectly into a quiet morning routine, transforming that first cup of coffee or afternoon tea into a moment of connection. When a senior sits at the kitchen table or relaxes in their favorite chair, they are holding a sturdy, comforting cup that displays the faces of the people they care about most, which is especially meaningful when family cannot visit as often as they would like. Available in standard 11 or 15-ounce sizes, it features a durable, high-gloss finish with premium printing that is fully microwave and dishwasher safe, ensuring the pictures stay vibrant wash after wash. For aging fathers and grandfathers who miss the daily presence of their growing family, this brings their children's smiles directly to their hands with every warm sip. And finally, wrapping up our list at number 15 is the Astercook silicone spatula set. These flexible cooking tools slide cleanly along the edges of your mixing bowls and glide across hot frying pans to stir, scrape, and fold your ingredients. When stiff hands make gripping heavy wooden spoons painful, these spatulas offer a comfortable, lightweight hold for everyday meal prep. You can effortlessly scrape thick batter from a bowl or stir a simmering pot of soup without ever scratching the coating on your favorite nonstick cookware. Built with a reinforced stainless steel core for rigid strength and wrapped in BPA-free silicone, they safely withstand stovetop temperatures up to 560 degrees Fahrenheit and go straight into the dishwasher for simple cleanup. Seniors who had given up baking because traditional utensils were too tiring to maneuver are returning to the kitchen to comfortably mix their favorite family recipes again. And that's a wrap. Those were 15 game-changing kitchen upgrades guaranteed to make cooking effortless. If even one of these blew your mind, wait until you see what's coming next. Links to everything are in the description. Subscribe to the Deal Scout, where we uncover the internet's best hidden tech.